Chris Kaufmann, Fire Chief, Fire District number 1 in Slidell. This morning around 1:30 a.m. we responded to a commercial structure fire here in Slidell, a 5,500 square foot building, a 28-year business. UNI Americas, distributing, manufacturing of cleaning chemicals that they do all over the world. We had a building fully involved when we got here. Obviously we had power come on early morning hours. We had arcing of the power lines that came into this structure, and we had 41 firefighters responded to this call, arriving on scene within 5 minutes, had it under control in 1 hour. Some of the products they had in the building were challenging. They had propane cylinders, sodium nitrate, and some other chemicals, but everything went well. No one was injured, and again, put the fire under control in a little over an hour. This is a anchor in our community, employs many people in our community, and is a distributor all over the world. This business is a local family, and we're going to do it whatever it takes to get them back in business. But I want everybody to be aware of right now, power's coming on. It's a big issue. This is something that was out of our control, out of the business owner's control. This was power being turned on. Obviously no one's on site, on the property at that time in the morning, but unfortunate situation, but 5,500 square foot building. You can see from the damage behind me, the building's gonna be a total loss. But I just want to put this information out. All fire departments be aware. The power coming back on. We shuttled 50,000 gallons of water. We brought on site over 11,000 gallons of water. There's no hydrants in this area. So this was a complete water shuttle that we never lost at one time water supply to this fire. So just all fire departments be aware of that as well. Be prepared to shuttle water. May not be what you do in your day-to-day operation, but this is something that's in our district here in Slidell, and we're used to doing this, but this was a total water shuttle that we were able to bring over 50,000 gallons on site.